Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kaizen HR account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kaizenhr.my and press enter. You will now be taken into the Kaizen HR account right away. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be able to find the employee login portal. Click on employee login and then you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your username that you have set up while creating your account and then within the next screen enter your password. After entering your account password, click on the login button and you will be logged into your Kaizen HR account right away. In case you find this message which tells you that the page has not been found when you click on the login button at the top right, then this means that there are some errors with the Kaizen HR server. So you will need to contact the Kaizen HR team through an email or a phone, or you can wait for some time and try again later, in which case you will find the login sections right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Kaizen HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.